In a world seemingly defined by boundaries and divisions, there exists a profound and often overlooked truth. Everything is connected. From the tiniest particles to the vast expanses of the cosmos. From the intricate web of ecosystems to the intricate dance of human relationships. The universe operates under the immutable law of interconnectedness. This fundamental principle, often referred to as the universal law of interconnectedness, asserts that all phenomena, whether physical, biological, social, or spiritual, are intrinsically linked in a complex tapestry of existence. Each element, no matter how seemingly insignificant or isolated, plays a vital role in shaping the fabric of reality. In this exploration of interconnectedness, we embark on a journey to unravel the threads that bind us all together, weaving a narrative that transcends borders and boundaries. Through a lens that combines scientific inquiry with spiritual insight, we seek to uncover the hidden connections that underpin our shared experience of life on Earth and beyond. Interconnectedness. At its core is the recognition that everything in the universe is interconnected and interdependent. It's the understanding that no element exists in isolation. Rather, each component is intricately linked to and influenced by the others, creating a vast and intricate web of relationships. This concept extends across multiple domains, from the physical to the metaphysical, from the tangible to the intangible. In the realm of physics, for instance, interconnectedness is evident in the principles of systems theory, where the behavior of complex systems arises from the interactions between their constituent parts. In ecology, interconnectedness is manifest in the delicate balance of ecosystems, where every species, no matter how small, contributes to the overall functioning of the system. Moreover, interconnectedness extends beyond the realm of the material world into the realms of human relationships, society, and consciousness. In social systems, for example, individuals are connected through networks of communication, cooperation, and exchange, shaping collective behaviors and outcomes. In the realm of consciousness, interconnectedness is reflected in the shared experiences, emotions, and aspirations that bind us together as human beings. The universal law of interconnectedness asserts that these connections are not arbitrary or accidental, but are inherent to the fabric of reality itself. It suggests that there is a fundamental unity underlying the diversity of existence, a oneness that transcends the boundaries of space and time. By understanding and embracing this law, we gain insight into the underlying patterns and dynamics that govern the universe. We recognize that our actions have ripple effects that extend far beyond ourselves, influencing the world around us in ways that may not always be immediately apparent. Implications and importance of interconnectedness. Understand Ingenters highlights the interdependence of nations and peoples across the globe. In an increasingly interconnected world, events in one part of the world can have far-reaching consequences elsewhere. This recognition underscores the importance of collaboration, cooperation, and diplomacy in addressing global challenges such as climate change, pandemics, and economic inequality. It emphasizes the intricate relationships between living organisms and their environments. Recognizing our interconnectedness with nature prompts us to adopt more sustainable practices and to act as responsible stewards of the planet. By preserving biodiversity, conserving natural resources, and mitigating pollution, we can safeguard the delicate balance of ecosystems and ensure a habitable environment for future generations. Interconnectedness fosters a sense of belonging and community among individuals and groups. By recognizing our shared humanity, and interconnectedness, we can overcome divisions based on race, ethnicity, religion, or nationality, and work towards building more inclusive and equitable societies. This sense of social cohesion strengthens social bonds, promotes empathy and solidarity, and fosters a greater sense of collective well-being. Understanding interconnectedness can lead to greater personal fulfillment and well-being. Recognizing our interconnectedness with others fosters empathy, compassion, and a sense of belonging, which are essential components of psychological well-being. By cultivating meaningful relationships, supporting others, and contributing to the common good, we can experience a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment in our lives. Interconnectedness is a central tenet of many spiritual and philosophical traditions. Recognizing our interconnectedness with all living beings and the universe can lead to spiritual growth and enlightenment. By cultivating mindfulness, gratitude, and reverence for life, we can deepen our connection to the divine and experience a profound sense of interconnectedness and unity with all that exists. Scientific and spiritual perspectives. Scientific perspective. From a scientific standpoint, interconnectedness is a fundamental concept that underpins many disciplines, including physics, biology, ecology, and systems theory. In physics, interconnectedness is evident in principles such as quantum entanglement and the theory of relativity. In biology, interconnectedness is observed at various levels of organization, from the molecular to the ecological. Within organisms, cells, tissues, and organs interact and communicate with each other through complex networks of biochemical signals. In ecosystems, species are interconnected through food webs, energy flow, and nutrient cycling, with each organism playing a unique role in maintaining the balance and resilience of the ecosystem. Ecological systems exemplify interconnectedness on a larger scale, where organisms, populations, and communities interact with each other and their environment through processes such as predation, competition, and mutualism. Species are interconnected in intricate webs of relationships that regulate population dynamics, biodiversity, and ecosystem function. Spiritual persody. From a spiritual perspective, interconnectedness is often recognized as a central tenet of many religious and philosophical traditions, emphasizing the unity and interconnectedness of all life. Indigenous cultures around the world often hold deep reverence for the interconnectedness of all life forms and the natural world. Indigenous wisdom emphasizes the sacredness of the earth and the interdependence of all living beings, viewing humans as stewards of the land and members of a larger ecological community. In Eastern philosophies such as Buddhism and Hinduism, interconnectedness is expressed through concepts such as interdependence and non-duality. These traditions teach that all beings are interconnected and interdependent, arising together in the web of existence. By recognizing the interconnectedness of all phenomena, practitioners seek to cultivate compassion, wisdom, and mindfulness in their interactions with others and the world. In Western mystical traditions, such as Christian mysticism and Sufism, interconnectedness is understood in terms of unity with the divine. Mystics often speak of experiencing a sense of oneness or union with God or the universe, transcending the boundaries of the individual self and recognizing the interconnectedness of all creation. Both scientific and spiritual perspectives offer valuable insights into the concept of interconnectedness, highlighting its profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Whether through the lens of quantum physics or the wisdom of ancient spiritual teachings, The recognition of interconnectedness invites us to transcend narrow boundaries and embrace a more holistic and inclusive worldview. Challenges and considerations when exploring the concept of interconnectedness. It's important to consider the challenges and complexities that arise from this fundamental aspect of existence. Interconnectedness means that actions or events in one part of a system can have unintended consequences elsewhere. Recognizing and anticipating these unintended consequences is essential for making informed decisions and mitigating potential harms. In a globally interconnected world, nations, economies, and ecosystems are deeply interdependent, making them vulnerable to global crises and disruptions. Events such as pandemics, economic recessions, or environmental disasters can have far-reaching effects that transcend national borders and impact people and communities worldwide. Addressing these global interdependencies requires collective action, cooperation, and solidarity among nations and stakeholders. Interconnected systems are inherently complex, with numerous interdependent variables and feedback loops that can be difficult to predict or control. This complexity can lead to uncertainty and unpredictability, making it challenging to understand and manage interconnected systems effectively. Embracing complexity requires humility, adaptability, and a willingness to engage in ongoing learning and collaboration to navigate uncertainty and address emergent challenges. The recognition of interconnectedness raises important ethical considerations about our responsibilities and obligations to others and the planet. As interconnected beings, our actions have ripple effects that can impact the well-being of others, including future generations and non-human species. Ethical decision-making requires consideration of the broader implications of our choices and actions, as well as a commitment to promoting justice, compassion, and sustainability within interconnected systems. In conclusion, our exploration of interconnectedness has revealed the profound depth and complexity of the concept, spanning scientific, spiritual, and ethical dimensions. Importantly, we've recognized the challenges and considerations that arise from interconnectedness, including unintended consequences, systemic inequalities, and ethical dilemmas. However, amidst these challenges, we've also discovered the profound implications and importance of interconnectedness for promoting sustainability, resilience, and well-being. By recognizing our interconnectedness with all living beings and the universe, we can cultivate a deeper sense of compassion, empathy, and responsibility towards each other and the planet. As we reflect on our journey, let us remember that everything is connected, that we are all part of a vast and intricate web of life. By embracing interconnectedness and honoring the sacredness of all existence, we can work towards building a more harmonious, equitable, and sustainable world for generations to come. In the end, the universal law of interconnectedness invites us to transcend boundaries and divisions, to see ourselves not as separate and isolated entities, but as integral parts of a larger whole. May we carry this understanding with us as we navigate the complexities of our interconnected world, guided by the light of unity, compassion, and reverence for the interconnected web of life.